Ngayon, pag-aaralan natin ng geometric series and finding the sum of finite geometric sequence. So, sa past lesson natin, napag-usapan natin yung geometric sequence and geometric means. So, objectives natin, define geometric series, find the sum of the finite geometric sequence, and solve problem involving geometric series. So, pag sinabi natin geometric series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. So, sum. From the word sum, yun sasabi natin na kukunin natin yung kung ano yung sum ng given na geometric sequence. To find the sum of finite geometric sequence, meron tayong formula. S, we have the sum, then N, yung hinahanap natin, kung ano yung hinahanap natin, is equal to A sub 1. Ang A sub 1 natin, yung first term, times R, yung R is common ratio, raised to N minus 1 all over R minus 1. So, tatandaan natin, ng R should not be equal to 1. Bakit hindi kailangan maging value ng R is 1? Kasi, kapag 1 ang value ng R, maging 0 ang denominator natin. So, hindi po natin pwede yun maging 0. Okay? Kaya, ang R, hindi pwedeng maging ang value ng R or ang ratio, common ratio is 1. So, tandaan po yan ha. So, example, what is the sum of the first 5 terms of 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, and so on and so forth? So, ang hinahanap natin, first 5 terms. Tandaan na, first 5 terms. So, first, syempre, hanapin natin muna yung value ng A sub 1. So, pag sinabing A sub 1, first term. Ang first term natin ay 3. Then, ang R natin, para makuha natin yung R or common ratio, i-divide natin yung second term sa first term. Ang second term natin is 6 and then ang first term natin ay 3. So, 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. Ang value ng N naman natin is 5 kasi ang hinahanap natin is first 5 terms. Then, after that, substitute the value of A sub 1, we have 3, and then R, we have 2, then N, we have 5, then all over 2 minus 1 kasi ang R natin is 2. So, 2 raised to 5, the answer is 32. Tama? Kasi 5 to i-multiply mo, the answer is 32. So, 32 minus 1, the answer is 31. So, 31 times 3, the answer is 93. So, 93 over 1, the answer is 93. So, the sum of the first 5 terms is 93. Next example.